Today we're making a drink that it was so good, it's actually already gone.
It started, it was good, and got better.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Derek, Dan, and Ian are going to make for you the Satin Sheets. This is happening.
This is going to be for Valentine's Day.
This is going to be for Valentine's Day, or the day before. Because...
You're going to go out for Mexican, you're going to make this drink, and you're going to come back to some explosive fun.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome.
Nothing like beans and margaritas for Valentine's Day to make a great night.
Dude.
And satin sheets.
You just got to finish fast.
Satin.
Don't
Don't have a problem with that.
No, that's because they're not absorbent. They're easy to clean.
Oh.
So everything rolls off?
Well, clumps off or whatever.
Clumps off.
Awesome.
Whatever the case may be.
The Satin Sheets recipe is going to be an ounce and a half of Blanco tequila, a half ounce of Falernum, a half ounce of agave or simple syrup,
It's poop.
3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice.
From the Mexican food.
Yeah, I got the...
Margarita with Falernum.
Yeah, it's margarita with Falernum.
Falernum.
So instead of using an orange liqueur, you can use a Falernum, like this velvet
What the hell's Falernum
Falernum
again?
This, their, them, their drink.
Read the bottle.
Falernum
The bottle.
is a liqueur made
velvet,
from like
too.
clove.
Let me Google that
Hence
for
the
you.
satin sheets.
It's a clove. Clove ginger, maybe?
It's a
That's
clove
too much.
ginger.
It's going to be a sweet one.
That's
You don't
all.
have-
Be a sweet one.
You don't have
I like
to
it
use it
sweet.
all.
I won't use it all because it's got to sit in the bottom.
It's half
Yeah,
ounce.
see?
They're perfect.
Half ounce,
Oh,
3
that
ounces,
was a
whatever.
lot of
A half
ounces.
ounce of this, half ounce of that.
Yeah.
I put them in together. And then I overdid it on the agave, so I left some in there.
You got
I'm going
this.
to do the next step now.
Okay.
So you're gonna shake it, strain it. It's pretty easy. Throw your ingredients into a cocktail shaker. We're happen to use a pink shaker because Valentine's
It's
Day.
Valentine's Day. You
I
gotta
thought
get
that was
into the
because of the
mood.
Mexican food.
Valentine's
I
Day
don't get
before. The day before Valentine's Day, but
No, that's the other color.
pink? Brown?
It's for the explosion.
Ah.
But see? If you make this one for your loved one, it'll be a great night.
You don't actually have to eat Mexican food to make this drink. That is just an optional.
Because tequila is good all the time.
Feel right there.
Good seal. Yeah, the harder it is to open the drink, that means the better I seal it.
Are you gonna add
Look
ice
at
to that
that.
thing?
There's ice.
Into the
Oh,
glass?
into the
Yeah,
glass?
after. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll do it after.
Sometimes you crush it.
Quit telling him how to do his
You want me to
job,
crush it?
damn
No,
it.
I
Is this
don't
a crushed ice drink?
No.
No.
Dude, it's just
That's not crushed ice.
No, it's not crushed ice.
It's on the rocks. Look at that. Fill that shit up. That wasn't a very, like, sensual pour, though.
Yeah,
so
you were very
so you
fast.
gotta- I know, you are just fast
You know,
and rough.
for a Valentine's Day type drink, you kind
You
of
need to,
ended
you need
it.
to slow it down.
There was no foreplay. You just literally.
Shit, I
dived
didn't see
right
what he
in.
did with his hands in the last.
Oh my
Ah!
God!
Like, I wouldn't have drank that.
It's got alcohol in it.
There's a glass in it.
Does it fit on camera?
Yeah.
It's a big glass. I don't know, will it?
Yeah. So that was an interesting ordeal. Let's try it.
Yeah, you just lost
Oh.
some viewers there, buddy. Sorry.
Love is in
Probably
the
my
air.
parents, at least.
Love is in the air,
Oh,
bitches.
shit, that's
You
good.
can't watch him like this.
Oh, by the way, this was
Oh, I see the main viewers just dropped off.
this is submitted by Stephen Foisey, who's in the chat
Didn't
room.
know sheep could watch YouTube, though. That's cool.
Oh, our executive producer is David Ruggieri.
I was wondering what you did when you went up there.
Patreon.com/CMC if you want to help donate to the show so that I can get a better
Like,
camera.
Kitchener Leslie. Yeah, I'll tell you
I
that
could use a
story.
better camera. The mic works, as you can tell. But camera could use an update.
Not
It's
bad.
like 5 years, 6 years.
It's not
7 years
bad.
That's smooth like Satin Sheets, buddy.
So this was
I feel
submitted
like I'm
by
laying in bed
Now
right
I
now.
get it.
Now you get it?
this was submitted by Steven, but I don't think he knew I was going to use it
It
as a,
sounds good.
I don't know if he knew I was going to use it for Valentine's Day, but I was going through and I'm like, oh, I had this drink in the lineup,
Satin Sheets?
and then I saw
Satin
Satin
Sheets,
Sheets, and I'm like, wait a minute, when's Valentine's Day? Googled it, found out 14th. I'm like, oh, 13th? I need a Valentine's Day cocktail?
Valentine's Day's the 14th.
No. And then I moved this right to the top, said Satin
Holy
Sheets.
shit, Valentine's Day is in like 2 weeks. Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
Dude, you don't have to do anything.
Yeah, no, she's getting a fucking kitchen. I'm fucking done. You kidding me?
Happy Valentine's Day, new
Yeah.
kitchen.
Cars, kitchens, floors, living rooms.
Yeah,
I think
fuck.
you're all set for the rest of your life.
Yeah, exactly.
You're good.
See, you get a little food coloring, make it pink.
Can you explain to me what food coloring will make this pink?
Red?
Red.
You think it'll just turn pink?
Yeah.
It's gonna turn red.
No.
Go get the red food coloring.
Yeah, go get
I
it.
don't have any red food.
That's
I
easy
have
to make.
granny.
Then when you drop it in, it turns it pink.
Our cranberry juice.
Cranberry juice?
All right, yeah,
But
my
you need
dad's
a lot of
right.
cranberry juice.
Yeah, where's Jen? And she can at least try it.
Yeah.
I can try it when it goes off air.
It tastes like a
The
margarita.
stream will still hear it.
Apparently, Jen's become camera shy.
Yeah.
I don't understand. I don't taste this at all. Do you taste it?
That's okay. We're embarrassed by Derek too, but we're still here.
You're here all the time.
That doesn't stop
Remember
us.
the St. Valentine's Day massacre.
You said you wouldn't leave him.
Not. In
You can't.
person.
That doesn't really.
Campari does not make it pink.
It might.
The agave, maybe because he put a good amount of agave
Oh,
in there.
Campari might actually go good in there.
Let's try it.
No,
What?
then I'm trying to drink first.
Well, then you're gonna have to come on.
Where's
Where's
the
your
Campari?
Campari?
I just threw it out. No, I don't. It's up there.
Where?
Oh, your hands on video, Jen. We got
That's
you.
good.
It was good.
Now they're gonna ruin it.
So
No,
we're
I
gonna
think-
turn this into a Valentine's Day drink before your eyes.
Just a couple drops. I think it's.
So Velvet Falernum says, I never finished that thought. Think
Boom.
trade
Nope.
spices. Think like cloves, citrus,
Look at that.
almonds,
Pink.
ginger, lime.
Magic.
It's pink.
It's gross now though.
Oh.
Actually, I like it.
Of course you would like it.
Campari.
Yeah,
You just took a drink for. This is like
Oh.
Right?
It upscaled it.
upscale
did.
it to what?
Try it.
1080p.
Yeah.
No,
4K,
that
buddy.
is 4K. Shit.
Might it be
That's like
ultra?
8K. That shouldn't even come out yet. It's at CES.
He hasn't spit it out yet. So
That was pretty a deep cut right there.
Yeah.
You went all the way to CES. with
That's
this story.
right.
That's
I knew I could fucking make that reference
It's not
at
bad
some
though,
point.
right?
I actually think it's good.
Yeah.
It's not bad, but it's not the same drink. we
You know
just
what it
had.
is? It
No,
cuts.
it's better.
It cuts the sweetness
Sweetness
out of it. Yeah.
Well, you know what else cuts the sweetness out of it? Him fucking learning how to pour agave nectar.
Well, I left some of it in the thing, so I think it's
Jen,
the
try
perfect
that.
balance.
No, it is not. But
No, it's not that bad.
it is. I put it like a drop.
It's
try it.
not
I saw
mango.
what you put in it. You didn't put
It's
it
not mango chutney and burnt hair.
Put half the Campari.
Yeah.
Every chutney.
Mango chutney and burnt hair. Yeah.
It's
Tastes
from
like
the
mango
table
chutney
to
and burnt hair.
trash can to truck.
It's not that bad.
No.
Because the sweetness.
Nah, it's not too bad, but it is bitter at the end.
Yeah. See.
It's
I
got
think
that,
the flavor is actually pretty good. It
Mm.
is a little bitter, but I think
not
the
that
flavor
bitter
is good.
because there's so much.
You gotta dump
sweetness.
some Campari in that. When we make it with Campari, I think we just made real satin sheets.
Yeah, we made red satin sheets.
You made a satin.
Pink? No, we made pink satin sheets.
We just made sassy satin sheets.
Yeah, you made a
I
satin
had a roommate
sheets
once who made
that has a little bit
red
of
sheets, but they were splotchy.
You made
Is that Jen?
Great.
She's right over there, dude.
satin sheets with a little bit of like maybe a little spank with the bitterness
Yeah. It's satin sheets, wrong time of the month.
or spank. Why don't you go? You could go with wrong time of the month, or you could go with S and
It's a spicy
With some
satin
blood play?
sheets.
Yeah.
No, it's a spicy satin sheet.
I was thinking just because of the bitter punch, as opposed to like
Cutting people. Yeah.
bleeding from your crotch area.
There's a lot of places you can bleed from. I don't know what.
No,
you're
we're
calling
going with like that one's like love making. That one's a little spank.
Yeah.
it. Okay, that's all
No.
towards. There's pleasure in that pain.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's right.
Why does he understand? I said the same thing as you just said, and he's like, "Oh, like
Once
cut
you get-
yourself."
yeah,
And now
so-
now he's like, "Oh, it's
Now
like
I get it. Yeah.
now it's like kinky sex." How did that did not come out when I said it?
I just have a way of explaining.
Repeating.
That's why you're a
Yes.
manager. You just figured it
See,
out.
sassy satin sheets.
Sassy satin sheets.
Sassy satin sheets.
Bleeding from the crotch sounds fun.
Susie.
I'll let you know, Eric, it's not.
Susie sachets on
Never
sassy
bled
satin
from the
sheets.
crotch myself, but you know, I'm trying to avoid it because it's not natural for my.
Well, if we
my
did it,
kind.
we die.
Yeah, yeah, that's usually not a good thing.
The ball guy. Eric, see, now you're just getting.
You went right to the ball gag.
Yeah.
We went with spank, you know, just to kind of intro,
No, you
and
need
you're
like
like,
a licorice.
ball gag,
black
butt plug,
licorice
Black
draped
licorice.
across it as a garnish. Yeah, that's when you make it.
or a vanilla bean.
See,
Sure.
you can dress up the drink to however your Valentine's Day is gonna go.
There
Right.
you go.
Whips,
There you go.
chains,
That's
whatever.
Yeah, or it could
Handcuffs.
just be Satin Sheets.
Yeah, I would put satin sheets with like the handcuffs. You know, you lock both in so they're sitting on the bottom, like one of those wine things that tells you this is yours.
Your glass.
Or if it sucks, you just have a glass and it's empty.
Well, if you have two of them and one has handcuffs,
You're like, this is my Valentine.
Yeah. Just could be a couple ice cubes.
There we go.
Who knows?
Yeah, cool.
It works.
That's how everyone else doing.
well, I
Steven, cough. Ian's mom's in here.
It burns. It burns.
I feel like
Hi, Mom.
we went from.
We got it?
I think we went from here to here. We covered all the aspects.
I think it's a good drink. A little bit better with Campari.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah.
I could taste it needed like a little something.
I
Yeah.
think it wasn't bad with Compari.
Everybody needs
The
a little
flavor's pretty
spike.
good.
Right.
Maybe the bitterness could be cut with a little bit of salt or something, but
Yeah.
Yeah. The moral of the story is
That would be good.
the moral of the
I
story
think
is
that's the new margarita.
that's even not bad.
Man.
moral of the story. Satin sheets, a little bit of Spanx, but make sure your mom's not in the room. We covered it, right?
That's just weird.
Unless you're in Maine, and then it's fine, right?
That's fine.
So, sorry.
I like how you
They
gave
used to
like.
like you, Dan.
Yeah.
I like how you gave an authentic, like sorry, like
Like, no offense or anything, I just had to say
right.
it.
Like I'm gonna say this because it's a show, but sorry.
Yeah, a little salt.
Why did you add salt to it?
The
Is it like the
cuts
semen?
bitter.
Yeah.
Same thing. Got it.
You know this. You know this, man.
I
That's
thought
good.
you were going for the
attended
theme.
the same class.
Yeah, we were both there.
That's good.
There's really nothing left. We really ruined that one.
Yeah, it must be terrible.
You want to go to ostrix.com, use coupon code 2020, save 20% off until
March 8th,
8th.
2020.
And here's the beauty in this. March? That's like almost spring.
I know.
I'm thinking really far ahead.
You have to get your cocktails ready for when everybody comes over in spring.
Anyway, we're done. Sidebar, more videos
Watch it.
down below. Ostrix bartender starter kit. Teach you how to drink.